How to fix extraction not completed error. So if you have any kind of zip files and you want to extract them like this, so if I go to extract all and click on extract, it says this error right here. No error description available, so it is an unexpected error. So to fix this, what you need to do first is open your browser, and once you are on your browser, you want to search for WinRAR and download the WinRAR in your computer. So just open the first link and click on download right here. So click on download WinRAR and it will start downloading right here. So once you have downloaded it, just install the application. Just click on this exe file to start your download. Allow all of the permissions to your computer and just click on install. You don't need to do anything on this setup. You just click on OK and click on done. So your WinRAR has successfully been downloaded. Now what you need to do is just right click on this file and extract all. If you do this, now click on extract. Once your WinRAR is completed, so you just need to open it, and from here you need to right click and extract to. You need to select your destination and click on OK. You need to enter your WinRAR, you need to enter the password if there is any on the zip file. So I'm just going to enter the password. Now you click on OK. So if you have a correct password, it should extract your file. So let me show you with another zip file. So right here, I have this file. I'm just going to copy it to desktop first and right click on it. And then click on extract all and click on extract. Now it should start extracting and you can always use all of these files. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.